a proud moment of my life. Everyone has some special moments in life that make them feel happy and proud. I also have a proud moment that I will never forget. It was the day when I won first position in my class. It happened last year in my school. Our teacher announced that there would be a test in all subjects. I decided to work very hard. Every day I studied my lessons carefully. I completed my homework on time and asked my teacher questions whenever I did not understand something. My parents also helped me and encouraged me to do my best. After the tests, we all were waiting for the result. I was a little nervous but also hopeful. On the result day, our teacher came into the class with the report cards. My heart was beating fast. When my name was called, I stood up quietly. The teacher smiled and said that I had got first position in the whole class. I felt very happy and proud at that moment. All my classmates clapped for me. My teacher praised me and said that my hard work had paid off. When I went home, I told my parents about my result. They were very happy and proud of me. My father appreciated me and my mother hugged me with joy. That day became one of the happiest days of my life. This proud moment taught me an important lesson. Hard work always brings success. I will always remember this special day because it gave me confidence and made me believe in myself. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.